Hi. In this class, what we will see is the concept and the valuation of a stock. So previously, we saw what a bond is and how we can find the price of a bond. And this is something that is similar. When a company needs to finance again an investment, it can either use a bond or also a stock. So it can also issue stock. So there will be a stock issuing. And then investors will have shares of the company. So at this moment, there will be again the issuing of these contracts, and the investors will buy these contracts. And what these investors are entitled to are dividends. So while in bonds we have coupons and face value, here shareholders will have dividends. And here there is a major difference between a stock and a bond. While in the bond we have fixed payments, the coupon and the face value are predetermined and we know when we will receive them. Here in the stock, we don't know when and how much dividends we will get. But still, we have to come up with a valuation. We have to find out the share price. And to find this, we have to forecast for every single year the amount of dividends we expect from the company. So for year 1, 2, 3, and so on, we need to estimate those dividends. So we will have an estimate of dividends on every single year. And to find this, we need to find the value of earnings, the value of profits of a company. When a company generates profits, it can pay dividends to the shareholders. So again, while in one case, while in bonds we have predetermined cash flows, here it depends on the results of the company. Once we estimate the results of the company, the earnings of the company, and we estimate dividends, we are able to get the share price. And the share price, as in any other financial asset, will be the sum of all expected future cash flows. So we will have to estimate every single cash flow, every single dividend, and we discount it to the present. And dividends can be received forever. Okay, so this is in general how you calculate the share price. You discount every single dividend. Now, in most cases, dividends will grow throughout time. As a company is getting profits, it is becoming larger and larger. And in a simple world, you can say that the share price is a growing perpetuity of dividends. Remember that we saw how we calculate the value of a perpetuity? We just have to use the first dividend, the discount rate, and the growth rate. So here, this is the simplified case where dividends grow at a constant rate. Okay, this is a simplified version. In order to find this growth rate, we also have a formula. And this growth rate is determined by two things: the return on investment, the return on invested capital, times the retention ratio. And the retention ratio is the percentage of earnings that the company is keeping in the companies and it is not distributing across shareholders. So the retention ratio and the return on investment will determine how much you grow. The growth rate of a company depends on the profitability, the return on invested capital, and how much it is keeping on the company.